Hey, what is up, gang? It's Jeff here, Stock Swinger, popping on for a quick little late in the week update on some swing plays. Got 4 of them today. Couple 3 nice penny stocks, and then 1 bigger play we'll talk about here in a few minutes. But you guys, thanks. I can't believe it. After 1 month only, I think it's almost a month to the day, over 2,000 subscribers. All sorts of interaction, likes, comments, nothing but positivity. I thank you all. It's been super fun. Like I mentioned in my other videos and all that, I love doing this stuff in the evening. It's fun for me. I don't have much going on as I'm a single parent, and when I get home in the evening, it's hangout time, sleepy noo, and that is the end of the day. So you guys, anyway, thanks a ton. The only thing I'll ever ask is just leave me a comment as well. And if you'd like to subscribe, that would be super duper awesome. One other thing that opened up here, I don't think I mentioned it in the swing video, is this little section under community. If you guys have any questions or anything in here, leave them in here for me. I've had a lot of interaction in there, or obviously leave them on the comment on the video, and I answer every one of them. I don't think I've missed one comment. I go through there a few times a day, answer everybody, and make sure that I did not miss anything. So you guys, real quick, if you did not see my swing trade video for beginners in here, I think I put this together pretty well. Basic, read it, look at it, understand it, and just the simplicity, a lot of things in your mind and how to keep your mind straight when you're doing these trades and not try to wing it and follow these strict rules. But I broke it down in there pretty good on everything that I do. This is just stuff that I do. By no means am I trying to tell you guys what to do with your trades, but this is just something that's made me successful along the way. Full transparency, the past couple of weeks have not been good. I stopped out, if you guys were following, on 3 plays. I'll always mention that. 2 of them made nice little gains. I think a 13%er and a 16%er, and 1 is still in play. That's just the last couple of weeks. So not the best of weeks. And honestly, I'm super heavily involved in AMC and the whole movement of things, which is nothing to do with this video. So a lot of my focus has been on AMC. I do a lot of stuff in the community here with AMC. So just keep that in mind here the next couple of weeks. But if I find something that's super duper good, I'll pop on, maybe even leave a comment in the community section. But you guys, 100%, like I told you guys from the beginning here, I'm going to make these things short, to the point, full transparency. We know we're not going to win on every single trade, but the other thing key too, you guys, like I said, the big 3 in here is that stop loss, right? Make sure you have those stop losses in place, or you're toast or roasta. And again, I've touched on it before. That's just what killed me in the first few years of trading. But you're going to take losses all the time. It's part of the market. That's why we're doing this. That's why nobody can master this. It's just cross your fingers and hope and follow your rules that are in your head, and you'll be just fine. So anyway, guys, let's hop onto the video, you guys. So if you did not check out this video here, please do. It's not terribly long. I made it about a half an hour, but it's everything that I do. I'll link it in the comment below, but it's obviously posted to the page there if you guys want to check that out. So let's pop right into a couple of plays here. Remember the big 3, you guys. Adding 5 to 10% starter position, 20, 40, 60, 80%. Until you're fully 100% in. That's just how I do it. Sometimes I do add a little bit more, add a little bit less, but that's a general idea of what to do. Super important thing, 5 to 7% stop losses. That's what I do. Again, you guys, not financial advice. I told you from the beginning, I'm going to show you what I do. Don't follow it completely. Do your own due diligence, but that's just what I do, guys, okay? So let's pop right into it. First few plays here are tiny little penny stocks. These are fun, okay? But remember, these aren't going to run crazy on you. 4, 5, 6 cent gains is a lot of gains when you're dealing with a stock under $1, okay? So first one is ticker symbol JOB. This one here, you're looking to enter about now. Last price is 58 cents here. Looking to enter under 61, so about 60 cents entry. Look for that. The other targets on these, I put targets 1 and 2, 66 and then 69 plus. This could run up 71, 72, 73 cents or so. So this is a good potential to get yourself a nice little gain on a cheaper type stock, okay? So again, entry at 61-ish, targets 1 and targets 2, 66 and 69 plus, okay? Number 2, BHAT. This one we are sitting at roughly, where are we sitting at? about 0.80 right now. That's about an ideal target point. Look for this maybe to run down a little bit, but 78, 77. Good entry point is under 80 cents. All right. So targets 1, 2, and 3. Target 1, 88. Target 2, 92. Target 3, 96 cents plus. Okay. So again, a smaller stock. Nice little room to run here. Make some gains on that one. Other one is ADVM. ADVM looking at 369. Yep, we're at 369 right now. Good entries about that. Okay, targets 1, 2, and 3. 402, 435, and 450 for targets 1, 2, and 3. Good entries about now. You guys keep an eye on that one. I'm going to be keeping an eye on that one. I'm in, I think, about 10% on this one. 10%. These are just entry level positions that I'm in, or I'm not in 20% in any of these plays. All right. And this one too. I'm only about 5% in this plug play here. This is a bigger play. So again, ADVM swing, ideal entry 369, 402, 435, and 450. Okay. Last one, you guys. Plug. PLUG. This one. Bigger dollar amount here, but this has got a nice little rebound play here. We're sitting at 22.56. Ideal entry of 22.40. So look for this in there. Not a big deal to where you're entering at the 24.40, 22.50. I'm sorry, 22.40 and then 22.50. Somewhere in that region. Targets 1 and targets 2, 24.50. Target 2, 25.75 plus. This does have a chance to run on us here, but again, I don't know for sure. We're just going to keep it at these safe target 1s and 2s, okay? So there's 4 little plays to keep an eye on, you guys. Tomorrow is the close of the week, Friday. Wahoo! So yeah, keep an eye on those 4 here. I'm going to try to get on. Tomorrow I'm going to stay in the office a little bit later. We're going to talk about some other plays that we're getting into this week. It's been kind of light the last 2 weeks, to be honest with you, as far as the swing trading go. I have not had the best of weeks, but remember, you guys, full transparency. I'm going to take the good with the bad and just keep an eye on. The only reason I'm doing these is for you put the information out there. You guys do your own due diligence. And believe me, I make a living doing this. So some plays do work out, right? More than likely, most of them do. So again, you guys, if you have not checked out the video here, I'm going to pop in the link. This is I think some of the videos on YouTube get a little carried away with technicals and all that stuff too. I do that stuff at the office. I don't bring that stuff home. This here, the video I put together, is basic number rules and to keep your mind right when you're doing these things. That's an awful big part of doing this, you guys. It honestly is. A lot of it, I can let this one slide. But as I mentioned in this video, no, you don't let nothing slide. You follow all the rules, whether it's you using some of my rules, somebody else's rules, or whatever. But the main thing, you guys, in these plays is just keep your mind focused and straight. Again, you guys, awesome. Thank you. Leave me any comments if you want me to look after some stocks. I've got back with a few of you guys that were. Feel free and pop those in. I'm in Seattle time, which is PST, Pacific time. I'm in the office here about 10 o'clock in my time until about 4 in the afternoon. Roughly in that time frame is when I am at work doing charting, looking at all that stuff. So leave me any comments, questions in that time frame. Even if it's in the night, I'll look at it the next morning. Awesome, guys. Sorry for rambling, and let's make some money. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.